Welcome back to the channel. T5 and Becky the Trekkie here. We were going on Raptor at Cedar Point in Sandusky, Ohio, and it looks like one of my very favorite types. Love these types. So far, I have to say that Banshee is probably my favorite in this style, but I haven't ridden this coaster yet, so we'll see how it ranks out. And stick with us. We'll be on the ride here in just a few, and we'll see you when we get on the ride.
Traffic going, that's it. Off 137, back to 3 speed of 37 miles per hour. Street go upside down 6 times and 4 for 18 different weights.
Great.
That is upside down 4 times and skyrocket. Wow.
I got wiggle room.
As you ride, make sure you sit up straight, take point number 50, give you go for it, everybody to the start. And hold on for the ride. Go single seat, not tight, just make sure your feet down for your stay, right? And then keep those cell phones with your favorite.
I got like 2 inches on me. It's not tight at all.
We're going.
You can make sure you keep those cell phones with your favorite. So you can look at Jackson from the park. So up there, you guys are up there, and you're going out of here. Into your right, so that's your headphones.
Stop was rough.
I gotta say, wow, I had a little spin going.
Yeah?
That was a rough stop.
That sucker roars, and
that part goes down.
I got a lot to say, so stick with us here. I'll be with you right back when we get parked at the station.
I'm a little dizzy right now.
Oh, it was a movie. All right, YouTube, just coming off of Raptor. What'd you think, Becky?
It was okay. I like the inversions, but it's not really like my favorite type of roller coaster style, but still a good ride.
All right, well, this is one of my favorite type of roller coaster rides, but I have to say it doesn't beat Banshee. I still feel like that's the best style layout. The first 3 inversions on this one were really good. 4 was okay, and then I felt like it lost a little bit of steam there. It does like a weird turn, and it kind of slows the train down a little bit.
Section that slows it.
Yeah, and there's like a pause in between inversion number 5 and 6 right at the end. So if they could speed that part pacing up, I feel like it would be great. They do a couple of fake outs where you think you're going to turn one way and then it goes the other. That's kind of cool. It did roar on the track. It wasn't rusty or anything like that. So this beats a lot of the Batmans that we've been on in this style. But all in all, I gotta say it was a great ride. Hit that subscribe button if you've stuck with us this long and you haven't yet. Thanks to all our fellow travelers and loyal subscribers. We appreciate you a great deal. And there will be new videos out all the time. And we'll see you very soon. Bye, everybody.